What if I told you that one simple habit could transform your health, boost digestion, detoxify your body, and even improve your skin? And the best part? It's absolutely free. Sounds too good to be true? Well, today, we're unlocking the science-backed benefits of drinking warm water daily and why you should start this habit today. Stick around until the end, because I'll share the best times to drink warm water and a special warm water detox recipe to supercharge your health. Before we dive into the life-changing benefits, let's first understand why warm water is so powerful and how it interacts with our body at a cellular level. The science behind warm water consumption. Did you know that your body is composed of around 60% water? Every cell, organ, and tissue in your body depends on it. But what most people don't realize is that the temperature of the water you drink affects how your body processes it. Here's what happens when you drink warm water: it boosts circulation and blood flow. Warm water dilates blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. This improved circulation helps deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently to your organs. It also helps relax muscles and relieve tension, reducing stress on the body. Aids digestion and nutrient absorption. Warm water acts like a lubricant for the digestive system, making it easier for your body to break down food. It stimulates digestive enzymes, leading to smoother digestion and reducing bloating. Unlike cold water, which can solidify fats in food, warm water helps dissolve them, making digestion more efficient. Flushes out toxins and promotes detoxification. Warm water stimulates the kidneys and liver, two vital detoxification organs, helping remove waste from the body. It induces mild sweating, which allows your skin to release toxins through perspiration. Drinking warm water in the morning kickstarts bowel movements, preventing constipation and supporting gut health. Supports metabolism and fat breakdown. Studies suggest that drinking warm water slightly increases metabolic rate, helping the body burn calories more efficiently. Warm water keeps the body hydrated without forcing it to work hard to regulate its temperature, unlike cold water. It may also help break down stored fat, making it an excellent addition to a weight loss routine. So, if you've been drinking cold water all this time, it might be worth trying warm water instead. Your body absorbs it more easily, it enhances metabolic functions, and it keeps your internal systems running smoothly. Up next, let's explore the life-changing benefits of drinking warm water daily and how it can improve your digestion, skin, weight loss, and even mental clarity. Stay tuned. Now, let's break down the incredible benefits of drinking warm water every day. Supports digestion and relieves constipation, helps dissolve food faster and stimulates bowel movements. Prevents constipation and bloating by softening stool naturally. Quick tip: drink a glass of warm water first thing in the morning to wake up your digestive system. Boosts metabolism and aids weight loss, increases core body temperature, which stimulates metabolism. Reduces cravings and promotes a feeling of fullness. Quick tip: add a slice of lemon or a dash of cinnamon for an extra metabolism boost. Natural detox for your body, supports liver function in flushing out toxins. Increases perspiration, helping to cleanse the body. Quick tip: pair warm water with turmeric or ginger for an even stronger detox effect. Improves blood circulation and heart health, expands blood vessels, improving oxygen flow to organs. Helps reduce blood pressure and cholesterol buildup. Quick tip: drinking warm water before bed can relax your blood vessels and promote better sleep. Soothes sore throat and relieves congestion, clears nasal congestion and loosens mucus buildup. Soothes sore throat by reducing irritation. Quick tip: add honey and lemon for a natural cold remedy. Keeps skin glowing and youthful, flushes out toxins that cause breakouts. Keeps skin hydrated and elastic, preventing wrinkles and dryness. Quick tip: drink warm water with a teaspoon of honey for radiant skin. Reduces stress and improves mood, calms the nervous system and reduces stress hormones. Improves mental clarity and relaxation. Quick tip: drinking warm herbal tea at night helps reduce stress and promotes better sleep. Now that you know all the incredible benefits, let's talk about when and how to drink warm water to get the maximum results for your health and well-being. Best times to drink warm water and why it works. First thing in the morning, kickstart your metabolism. Drinking a glass of warm water on an empty stomach jumpstarts digestion and hydrates your body after hours of fasting. It helps flush out toxins, promotes gut motility, and sets the stage for better nutrient absorption throughout the day. Pro tip: add lemon for a vitamin C boost and extra detoxification benefits. Before meals, prepare your stomach for digestion. Drinking warm water 20 to 30 minutes before a meal gets your digestive system ready to break down food more efficiently. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping you absorb nutrients better. Warm water also prevents bloating by keeping digestion smooth and reducing gas formation. After meals, aid digestion and nutrient absorption. Instead of drinking cold water, which can slow digestion, warm water keeps food moving through your system effortlessly. It prevents fats from solidifying, which can happen when consuming oily or rich foods. Before bed, detox and relax your body. Drinking warm water before bed supports overnight detoxification, as your liver and kidneys work hard while you sleep. It relaxes your muscles, calms the nervous system, and can even promote better sleep. If you suffer from acid reflux, warm water can neutralize stomach acids and prevent discomfort. Quick tips for drinking warm water the right way: avoid water that's too hot. Drinking boiling water can damage the esophagus and digestive lining, leading to irritation. Stick to warm or lukewarm water for optimal benefits. Enhance your warm water with natural additions. Lemon detoxifies, improves digestion, and boosts immunity. Ginger reduces inflammation, soothes the stomach, and aids metabolism. Honey supports digestion, provides antioxidants, and soothes the throat. Stay hydrated, but don't overdo it. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water per day, adjusting based on your activity level. Drinking warm water consistently throughout the day is more beneficial than consuming large amounts all at once. By drinking warm water at the right times, you're supporting your body's natural processes and maximizing your health benefits. Try incorporating this habit, and you'll soon feel the difference. Up next, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid when drinking warm water daily. And now, let's talk about a simple but powerful warm water detox recipe that will cleanse your body, boost digestion, and keep you feeling energized all day long. Warm water detox recipe for maximum benefits. Ingredients: 1 cup warm water, the foundation for hydration and digestion support. 1/2 lemon, freshly squeezed, rich in vitamin C, helps detox the liver and boost immunity. 1 teaspoon honey, optional, provides natural sweetness and has antibacterial properties. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, a potent anti-inflammatory that supports gut health and reduces bloating. A pinch of cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports metabolism. Instructions: how to prepare and drink it. Warm up a cup of water until it's comfortably warm, not boiling. Squeeze in the fresh lemon juice for a refreshing detox boost. Add turmeric and cinnamon, stirring well to combine. If using, add honey for sweetness and extra digestive benefits. Drink it slowly on an empty stomach in the morning for best results. Why this detox drink works wonders for your health. Lemon stimulates the liver to flush out toxins. Balances the body's pH levels, reducing acidity. Aids digestion and helps prevent bloating. Honey is optional, a natural prebiotic, supporting gut health. Soothes the throat and has antibacterial properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. Helps reduce bloating and supports joint health. Cinnamon boosts metabolism and helps regulate blood sugar. Has antioxidant properties that support brain and heart health. Quick tips for best results: drink it first thing in the morning. This enhances detoxification and preps your digestion. Use warm, not boiling water. Too hot can destroy beneficial enzymes in honey and lemon. Be consistent, daily consumption yields the best results. Experiment with flavors. You can add ginger for extra digestion support or black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption. This simple warm water detox drink is a game changer for your health. Start your morning with it, and you'll feel the difference in your digestion, energy levels, and overall wellness. Give it a try and let us know how you feel. So, are you ready to start drinking warm water daily? Give it a try and let me know how you feel in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful. Share with your friends and family who need to hear this. Subscribe for more health and wellness tips.